Hey everyone, Ryan here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Uber application, a popular and convenient alternative to traditional taxis. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to download, set up, and use Uber with confidence. So let's start with downloading the application if you haven't already. Head over to your device's App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Uber. Once you've found the application, tap the download button and wait for the installation to complete. Mine is already installed, so I'm going to go ahead and open the application. When you first launch Uber, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap continue to begin the setup process. You will notice that we have different options for creating an account. You can sign up using your mobile number, Apple account, Facebook, Google, or email address. So choose whichever method is most convenient for you. However, keep in mind if you opt for an email or a phone number, you will need to verify it by entering a code that will be sent to you. Next, the application will ask for your name, so enter it as you would like it to appear on your account. And then you will have the Uber's terms and conditions, so it's a good idea to skim through these. Either way, you will need to accept them to proceed. After accepting the terms, you might see a few introductory screens explaining Uber's features. And then you will land on the app's homepage, and this is exactly where the real functionality begins. So at the top of the screen, you will notice two main sections, the Ride and the Eat. The Ride section is for booking car journeys, while the Eat is obviously for food delivery services. In this tutorial, I'm going to focus on the Ride section. At the bottom of the screen, you will see several tabs. The Services tab shows various options like Trip. As you can see, if you choose Ride, and then there's Reserve and Food. So if I click on Ride, it's going to go through the process of actually booking a car for myself. You just simply specify the pickup location and the destination. You can adjust the pickup location by dragging the map around, pinching to zoom in or out, and once you've set your pickup location, tap Confirm Pickup. After that, you will need to enter your destination, as you can type it in manually. You can choose from suggested options or scroll through the map to find it. And once that is in, you will see a list of available ride options. And these typically include the Uber X. This is the standard option, typically seating up to 4 passengers. In my case, there is the green one, as it would offer you a sustainable ride in electric vehicles. It is about the same price as the normal one, but maybe you would have to wait a little bit longer. If you want newer cars with extra legroom, then you can book the Comfort one, but the ride is going to cost you a little bit extra. And finally, in my case, there is the Taxi option. This is the cheapest one if you are looking to save up. And if you look at the tab below, you can see the payment options. So you can choose to pay with Uber Cash if you already fill in your balance. You can choose to pay cash or add a payment method like a credit card or something. And if you have a discount voucher ready, then you can add the code right below. Once you're happy with all the details, tap Confirm followed by the ride type that you have chosen, and that's it. Your ride is going to be booked and a driver will be on their way to pick you up at the time stated. So as you can see, within just a few minutes, you have downloaded the application, set up an account, and booked a journey. I would say that Uber's user-friendly interface makes it incredibly easy to get from point A to point B without the hassle of hailing a traditional taxi or dealing with cash payments. I highly recommend always checking the license plate of the car that arrives to ensure that it matches the one shown in your application, and if it doesn't, then report it to Uber support. You can also track your driver's approach in real time on the map, and then after your ride, you will have the opportunity to rate your driver and provide feedback, just in case anything happened, or perhaps you had a great driver and you want to give them a 5-star review. And if you frequently travel the same route, you can save it as a favorite for quicker booking in the future. Keep in mind that Uber's availability and specific features may vary depending on your location, so some of the options that you've seen on my screen might be a little different on yours. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.